The determined fisherman and the determined fisherwoman snatched up 5 dozen live shrimp and began testing their luck at the Skyway Fishing Pier at the mouth of the Tampa Bay in Florida.
I think I noticed why everybody's on the other side.
Despite having so much shrimp, the determined fisherman started a new ritual by jigging with a pompano jig and teaser for a few minutes before using live bait. The tide is coming in, which is drifting their lines back towards the bridge, which may explain why everyone else is fishing from the opposite side of the bridge. Oh shucks, he caught something on the jig.
Oh, hey now.
You caught it with no shrimp, huh?
Yeah. Pinfish.
So far, the determined fisherman has caught several different species with this pompano jig and teaser, except for pompano. But on the bright side, catching some cut bait isn't too shabby of a way to start out the day.
Uh-oh. No, it's right there. It's with sand perch.
Some fishermen use these sand perch as bait for bigger fish, but the determined fisherman and the determined fisherwoman throw them back every time they catch them.
Are they pokey anywhere?
By the way, they are edible, just a little on the small side.
Okay, that's bad.
The determined fisherman came up with an ingenious way to fasten a pole holder to bridges and piers that don't have holes for poles. First, he searched for the largest, cheapest belt he could find. Next, he utilizes zip ties to fasten a PVC sand spike he found at Wally World for less than $6 to the belt. And voila! Let's see how well it holds. Don't forget to loosen the drag.
If it goes total slack. Oh. Hey. I just crossed you. Oh.
What's your line? You're not gonna get wet.
Well, that belt pole holder was strong enough to accidentally hook a dolphin.
Let go.
Luckily, the let go. The determined fisherman is having so much action on this day on the Skyway Bridge. I wonder what he has caught now.
That's a pretty. That's so pretty.
What is that one? It's got a not black dot.
That's different. I think it's a snapper. Little baby.
Yes, he is correct. It is a snapper. There are many different subspecies of snapper, and it's important to distinguish which is which to specify the state and federal regulations.
When in doubt, toss it back out.
If you have a hard time remembering what state and federal regulations are in your neck of the woods, download the app called Fish Rules. It not only will help you identify the fish in question, It'll also tell you the size limits, open and closed season dates, bag limit, edibility of the fish, and so much more. But remember, when in doubt, toss it back out.
Nah, that's something totally different.
The determined fisherman says he caught a baby tarpon, but in actuality, he caught a herring, which are commonly used as live bait.
What's it? Fish. It looks like one of those bait fish, but a little bigger.
The determined fisherwoman is correct. But since the determined fisherman doesn't know the exact species or regulations for this fish, he will release it back into the wild to swim another day.
Have it ready and take the picture.
Be free, little fella. The determined fisherman decided to drop his line straight down next to the bridge to see what's lurking underneath the surface.
Look at that. You dropped it straight down. You dropped it straight down.
That didn't take much time at all.
Got me a jack.
There are several
Yeah, well,
different
you can.
species of jack, and this particular jack is not looked at as table fare, more so as bait. It is a bar jack. But they say there's no such thing as bad fish, only bad cooks.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Got a lizard fish.
Another species we ain't caught yet. That's the one with teeth, right?
Yeah.
Some say they taste like flounder, but they have many small bones to eat
Take your
around.
word for that. Oh, he left me my bait too. Oh, he hooked himself through the top. How the hell did he do that? Babe, how do I get this out of his head?
You gotta push it down.
It's in the top of his face.
Yeah, you got to hold. You gotta
They got
hold it.
teeth. I ain't trying to get bitten. Oh, look. Hey.
Oh, stingray.
Well, look at that. Such an amazing sight
A
to
lot of
see.
them. That's what they at. Look at the cow nose. Look at the cow nose.
That's so many. Wow.
Oh,
Watch out for round two. They aren't even trying to mess with their bait in the water. They just bump into it and keep on
it hit my
moving.
line. Said, oh,
The determined fisherman and the determined fisherwoman decided to try the other side of the bridge. Being so close between the two bridges, fishing straight down doesn't seem like a bad idea.
ooh. Already.
The lane snapper is found in the western Atlantic Ocean, where it occurs as far north as North Carolina and as far south as South America. They live around reef sandy bottoms with algae or seagrass at depths of 98 to 400 feet.
Huh? That's a big old, oh, that's a jack.
The jacks and snapper are definitely running in the area.
Caught a
He
jack.
crunch.
This is a barjack and inhabits as north as New Jersey and as south as Venezuela, with a high concentration in the Gulf of Mexico. They say the edibility of this fish is poor.
He's got a black spot on by his head.
Like they attack you as soon as you're through. Oh. What you got?
It looks like she has a big one.
Is there seaweed on that? Is there two fish?
Oh, that's seaweed and
And a fish.
a fish.
The determined fisherwoman was pulling so hard for such a tiny fish, but her line is caught on another stuck line.
It's out the water. It's the seaweed you have to worry about now.
Well, that's a bummer.
Fish aren't trying to bust the damn seaweed off.
Seaweed gonna snap your line.
It's a fight.
The determined fisherman attempts to help the determined fisherwoman free the stuck line.
Oh, it snapped. Oh, there's a dolphin too.
Oh, and it took the line.
Oh, you got. Oh,
You got the fish too.
what? Oh, there's a dolphin too.
Oh, and it took the line.
Oh, you got. Oh,
You got the fish too.
wow, and he got the hook.
Seaweed,
He
the
got
hook, the whole
everything.
9 yards.
What a series of events.
Don't tell me the dolphin gonna get stuck around the high line.
No, he'll pull that free. But he swallowed the line. See, they tell you what to do with birds, but not dolphins. There ain't much you can do with a dolphin though.
The determined fisherman decided to swap out the live shrimp for pinfish cut bait. It's important to learn a chosen area to fish to know what type of fish are in the area, which governs what type of bait is needed depending on what type of fish is being targeted. One thing is for sure, you can't go wrong with shrimp. And at the same time, it never hurts to try something different.
Good one?
Yeah,
Was you cut bait or shrimp?
cut bait.
It's like,
That's something different.
that's how it runs. That looks weird.
That's a little red.
That's what was on mine.
Oh, let me get it.
That looked like a sand perch.
No, it's not a red drum, and it's not a sand perch.
That's a red. Yes, a red.
It's got a spot on it.
Get a baby bull red.
This is why every fisher person should download the app called Fish Rules. It not only helps identify the fish species in a given area, it also gives information on open or closed seasons, as well as size limits, bag limits, and much more. So this is a variation of a grunt fish which has no size regulation and a bag limit of 100 pounds per angler per day. And then out of nowhere,
Holy
Oh. Are you getting that on video? Yes, look at show.
Holy.
You get that on video?
That was awesome. He's like, thanks for the fish.
We started charging for like dolphin tours.
People stop charging for that. You can see it right here.
Why get on the boat? Come over to the Skyway.
And you can see the stingrays, all the fish.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, one more fish to go out and get stolen real quick. Or one more shrimp.
Oh, it is?
with only one shrimp left, what are the odds the determined fisherman can make it count?
You need to use the
No.
Here we go. Let's see if he can catch one more for the road. Yeah, buddy. That's how to do it.
One more for the road. One more for the road. Hey, now.
The determined fisherman finished his day with a lane snapper. It's undersized, so he'll have to throw it back. Well, keep those lines tight, be patient, and be ready for the fight. Until next time.